In this video, we'll learn how to configure the platform theme. To create and configure a theme, go to Themes under Modules. In Themes, under Platform Theme, click on Create New Theme. Give your theme a name and upload a logo if you want to generate the theme from a logo. In the Color Configuration section, you'll see the color palette generated from the logo. You can edit the colors as needed. If a logo is not uploaded, you can directly use this section to configure the theme colors. In the Typography section, select a font from the drop-down menu. Once you've completed the configuration, click on Save to save the theme. You'll then be prompted to save this platform theme as a dashboard theme. If you click Continue, the same theme will be created in both dark and light modes under the dashboard theme settings. For this demo, click Cancel and do not save it as a dashboard theme. Now you need to apply the theme. Go to Themes, select the theme you created, and click on the Apply icon. The platform will now use the theme you just created.